Did you know that in 2024, over 275 million healthcare records were exposed, stolen, or illegally disclosed? That's a staggering 63.5% increase from the previous year, impacting the majority of the U.S. population. This dramatic rise in breaches highlights just how critical it is for healthcare organizations to stay on top of compliance regulations. It's no longer just about checking boxes. Failing to manage compliance risk can lead to serious consequences like legal action, steep financial penalties, and long-lasting reputational damage. A huge part of staying compliant is understanding what kinds of risks your organization can face. Compliance risks refer to the possibility of violating laws, regulations, or internal policies, whether intentional or unintentionally. In healthcare, these risks tend to fall under four major categories: regulatory, operational, financial, and reputational. So how do organizations prevent compliance issues before they spiral out of control? It all starts with compliance risk management. This process involves identifying which rules apply to your organization, spotting potential weaknesses in workflows or documentation, and putting a clear path in place to prevent violations. When done correctly, it helps protect your organization while ensuring you're providing safe, ethical care to patients. Healthcare compliance risks can come in many forms, like HIPAA violations, incorrect coding and billing, or failing to meet OSHA safety standards. Even a simple error such as improperly storing a patient record could lead to a HIPAA breach investigation. That one mistake can cost your organization money, time, and trust. The key is identifying risks early before they turn into a bigger problem. Many successful healthcare organizations regularly conduct internal risk assessments to catch vulnerabilities. These reviews evaluate operations, policies, and staff practices against current regulations. They help reveal cracks in the system that may otherwise go unnoticed. Frontline employees can also be a valuable resource. They see firsthand where compliance challenges occur, whether it's lack of training, unclear procedures, or outdated technology. That's why encouraging open communication and providing a space for anonymous feedback can go a long way in uncovering hidden risks. Another important step, keeping up with ever-changing healthcare laws. Regulatory requirements shift all the time at the federal, state, and payer levels. If your organization isn't monitoring these changes, you may unknowingly fall out of compliance. Once risks are identified, it's time to take action. That's where the compliance risk management really comes into play. It's not just about finding the problems, it's about actively managing and mitigating them. This includes updating policies, investing in training, and taking advantage of tools that can automate parts of the cycle. Automation in particular helps reduce human error and ensures consistency across your organization. Many healthcare providers use compliance risk assessment guides to help streamline this process. These tools walk you through which regulations apply to your organization, prioritize risk based on impact, and provide recommendations on how to address them. They even highlight ways to integrate technology to make compliance easier and more efficient. Managing compliance risks helps build a culture of accountability. It reduces the chance of harmful mistakes and helps your organization stay resilient even as regulations continue to evolve. And let's face it, healthcare regulations are only getting more complex. Understanding what compliance risks are is just the first step. The real value lies in your organization's response. By reviewing processes, conducting assessments, addressing gaps, and adopting smarter tools to stay compliant. Compliance isn't just a one-time task. It's going to be an ongoing effort. But with the right strategy, your organization can stay ahead of the risk, avoid costly setbacks, and deliver the highest standard of care with confidence. If you'd like to learn more about compliance risk management, reach out to K2GRC. And since you made it this far into the video, you might as well like it, share it, and comment down below.